So the ride takes 45 minutes. We get on to the Willow Bay picnic area. We're generally down there for about 10 to 12 minutes just to kind of get back on schedule. There's a restroom down there and a small playground. And if you just want to stretch your legs, feel free to do so. I get you down there, I'll get you back. I count heads before I take off. Make sure I get everybody back on board. So we'll make 3 stops on the way.
Actually going fast with my mom on a golf cart, and she was gonna throw up.
Uh-oh.
On the back.
Uh-oh. You took her for a ride, didn't you?
I actually drove it all by myself.
Sweet.
But Becky and my mom came on the back.
Boy, I did.
And then my mom threw up because I was going too fast. And I was going in circles.
Hey.
Right?
That was actually like pressing a pedal.
I'll floor it. Right? What? Floor that stinking thing. Wreck that ride. No, I'm sure not.
I like
We didn't run the flipping thing into a tree to get it.
no. It's a field with no trees.
Oh, it's like a road? Like a racetrack or?
No, we have a field. It's a big cornfield. Like that kind of field.
Awesome.
I got you some.
Don't
Huh?
I won't see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Let's go to the doctors. I'll see you next week. Okay?
Well, nice seeing you, buddy.
That stinks.
I know.
Try to do as much as I can. Have a great day, okay?
Yep. Bye, Jan.
Bye, Shane. See you next week.
We're going again. No, don't.
Yeah.
No kitty.
Kitty.
Showing off there. She can ride with no hands. There's that boy.
This thing is fast.
Yep.
can afford it.
Yeah.
This stop is called Hiawatha Point.
Why don't we just go
In case somebody wants to get off and walk.
Yeah, we just gotta go with the flow system.
There's sometimes if there's room I pick people up, but that's not very often.
Tuesdays, you know, there's half off movies, right? At the mall.
Yeah. I know
I
that.
think we got dollar ones too.
Well, yeah, they got dollar ones. The older.
See, I can't because I only get her till 4,
Oh, so what time do you start with her?
10.
Okay. Ariana's
I can't work past 4 with her.
Oh, is she community ham, I guess?
I'm on self-hired, but I can't find nobody.
For me?
Self-direct.
Oh, that's a hard one. Oh, but sometimes you get
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
God bless your heart. Thank you.
I wish I could ring the doorbell.
You know? You've been ringing all the time.
I would definitely steal her makeup and dig it in the ground so she would never see her makeup.
That's nice.
Or I could just
Or you could paint it all over her face while she's sleeping. Make her a goth makeover.
I know she would.
I would
She
actually.
write the word meow on her forehead. Give her cat whiskers. No, black nose.
I could spin on her face.
Like a big zigzag.
So do you have like a group that you hang out with? You're married, yeah. You have one group.
Oh,
Maybe I
We
could
tried
draw
to,
on her
but-
face.
This shop's very quick, you know.
I would actually draw on her feet and her face.
right on her
Our
left
group,
foot,
we just
put
like-
right. On her right foot, put the word up.
Like,
So she'll get confused what
Right.
foot is which.
You're an adult. I'm not gonna
I could give her
So,
like
the two people,
your
the one guy
garbage
we're we've
can.
been friends since
Whee!
we worked together. Now we're actually going on a cruise together.
Lady, no, you have to do that.
I'm gonna just give her like
Or melt her makeup in the sun and like dip her face in it. Just kidding, not really. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I will.
Absolutely.
Don't do that.
I will actually do it. Or I could paint her face.
You know, certain
Thank you.
lipsticks don't come out. You know, nail polish doesn't come out of clothes. FYI. Not your
I will actually put
black shows up the best on white shirts.
You're never babysitting my kid.
I'm kidding. I would never want. I don't know if I could. I don't know if I could.
Do you have
I
any,
want her to
do you have
babysit
any
me.
nieces or nephews?
No, I do not. I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. I was just asking just to make conversation.
I want to.
Sibling doesn't want kids. Neither do I.
Yeah.
So they're not an aunt or uncle or wherever anymore.
Are you dating anybody at all right now?
Not right now, no.
No.
Is it okay if
She's got her options open.
what
Her
happens
options open.
if I
She's not. Can't put your eggs all in one basket, girl.
No, I'm very diverse. Let's just say that.
That's okay. Whatever makes you happy.
I go either way.
Whatever,
I just go right or left. Just saying.
whatever you like. It's your business.
maybe I would put her. I will put her. I will cut up all her lipsticks and then put it in the oven and then it will be all melted and then hide it and then I will have my own lipstick.
How old are your grandchildren?
3 to 9.
Or maybe I could take her here
And dump it down the drain.
and throw it in the garbage.
What's the mother here?
I mean the red balls.
Yeah. Or you can
could
drink
steal.
her. You can drink her.
Oh,
No, hey,
Gibson
stop
off the
giving her ideas.
She tries to drink
Kidding.
mine all the time. You have to potty.
No,
This
I'm
is
not.
a Willow Bay
You
picnic
don't
area,
drink it.
and we are
Yeah.
gonna be here for about 11 minutes.
Go do that.
So
Are
feel
we
free
getting
to
off?
use the restroom or stretch your legs.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Thank you. Good job.
You know that's a lie. Uncle
Yeah,
Coco.
that's a lie.
Uncle Coco knows you're lying.
That's a big lie.
Uncle Coco knows
Then what did you eat? Then what did you eat this morning?
See,
Bye-bye!
you got any good videos?
He did.
Well, that's not
You got any good videos?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's not.
To me it is.
Yeah, maybe to you, but it's not.
It is.
That's gross.
I forget your name again.
Carissa.
Carissa. So that was your dad?
Yes, this was my dad.
Oh, her grandfather.
Yes.
His name is
Oh, check it out.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
I put, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
We
Yep.
usually go swimming in it.
Swimming is fun. Where do you usually go swimming?
Green Lake.
Do you have a lot of people that watch your
I
channel?
know.
Yep.
I haven't been to you
I don't want to go to the
Okay.
Only if she comes.
Look, you made a friend.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll run into you.
No.
Never know, yeah.
When do you go?
I can't remember. What is it? Next Wednesday. Well, it's gonna rain the other days.
The
That's
meteorologist doesn't know about anything.
No,
I
I
would
agree.
just lie.
He definitely lies.
I'm going to
Yes.
bed. There was a 95% chance of rain all day, and gotten up, and it was like
Yeah.
5%. So
They closed off their beach over the weekend because they said it was thunderstorms and it didn't even rain. I'm like, you just lost all that money.
you know, no, some people that's all they care about is watching the weather,
Yep.
and I don't pay any attention, especially when they're talking a week out or something.
Yeah.
Forget it. A lot of times they're not even close.
No, I want to stay with you.
Is she your kid?
Yeah, she's my
Your daughter? She likes mommy, right?
Stay with you. No. Fish are alive. No.
We'll do it.
I remember being that age.
She has ADHD, so she's always very,
I wasn't hyper.
she's very hyper. Yeah, she took her medicine today, so I can, she's still very hyper.
Cool.
No, no.
You go caca.
Whatever.
Until you get your spacer in next week, and you tell me how it's gonna feel on your finger.
Oh, I will rip it out.
Rip it out.
Is it glued on?
I don't know how they put a spacer in your mouth. I have no idea.
Yes, you can tell me all about it.
What Invisalign?
No, I'm gonna. She screwed up. She's getting a spacer. She needs to get all the braces on top, and then she has to get 2 weeks root canal.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have braces?
no. I have an overbite though.
You still got nice teeth though.
They want to straighten them.
When they yank it down.
Bye, Sophie. Have a good day.
Where are we? Almost to the beginning.
Huh?
Syracuse is famous for salt.
Is that Syracuse? Is
Well, that's why they call it the Salt City.
Oh, we said the same time.
Well, you know, it used to be that, like, before we had refrigeration, that was the only way you could keep stuff was to put in salt. You packed your meat in salt. You did just to preserve food. You used salt.
Awesome.
So that's why salt was so important.
Did you
The word celery,
I don't know.
like if somebody collects a celery, that
Like last
comes
night I got like
from the Latin
no
for salt.
caller ID number. One of my
They
husband's.
used to pay
Oh, that's
people in
weird.
salt.
Cool. I want a kitty cat, but I can't have one where I live because they have a no pet policy, you know?
Yeah. Are you live by yourself?
No, I live with others.
Oh, that's, do you like it?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Stuff happens.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Ish happens, yeah.
Yeah.
We're all done. Bye-bye.